Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kinong Hikay School kibahapo kasyatri ka Megalia SSA Schools Association. Lengba u President uba Aristotle C. Rembay. Hindi kasngi habakren siya kilat patay kubor hasilong press club. Ulaong bahado menta Kinong Hikay SSA kimpat yolut ya katulop jongki. Nakabenta lay benay kata nado benay risaw naiwing bat unok pra jong snem arhajar arpaway. Nagalyang Kinong Hikay kila kentu ya kasorkar jelaban palat no ya katulop jongki. Kila kenturu yu bala kemen remboy banchim khalem habede bat katulop jongki. Ula ongru baka jela kan sarakhi ya kajingdap san posnem haka arpaway tarik ukala lengkon. Nakalyang kakenhuan kalashim ya karay ban penlong da kabasyong kalan mengor bat ra lamayong hakandailan. Haka ba ombaro Kinong Hikay kenya shimbenta. Henry tangshi pongot naki kinsyong hakate kesngi.
Related to three issues. Okay, one is regarding non-payment of SSA teachers' salary for the month of October, November, and December 2021. Number two is the issue related to the uniform grant and composite school grant. And number three is the issue related to the regularization of SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya. So let us come first with the issue number one, that is non-payment of salary for the month of October, November, and December 2021. So, as we have already launched a non-cooperation movement since 21st December last year. During this non-cooperation movement, all SSA teachers in the entire state of Meghalaya will not participate or take part in any program organized by the state government, whatever it may comes from any department concerned. So this non-cooperation movement till today is still continuing. So apart from this, we have also launched a letter campaign addressed to the Honorable Chief Minister, Perdana Sama, and the Honorable Education Minister, Lakshman Remboy, to air our grievances as and SSA teachers to release our pending salary. So we have started this letter campaign on 22nd December last year, and it was ended on the 14th January 2023. So after this letter campaign ended, we are getting no response from the government side. So we, the General Executive Committee of the Meghalaya SSA School Association, Secretary, unanimously we have taken a decision to move ahead with our agitation program on 21st January 2022. So because of the no response from the government side, it has compelled us to take this decision. Even though we understand, we are concerned of the situation and the restriction because of the COVID-19, but we have to take this decision because there is no response from the government side. So we have decided to go ahead with our agitation, that is a black flag sit-in demonstration and a candlelight vigil at Kandailat, okay, Police Bazaar. The reply of the Secretary of Education, Sir Ambrose, he informed us that the amount which they released, that is 10,000 to all the SSA school, it is just a first installment. Okay, so another installment they will release. So we from the association, actually we are doubtful, as I have already informed, that this was not the first time it happens. Okay, previous year also it happened, 2019 also the same thing, 20 also the same thing. We are afraid that maybe this year also they will just keep on promise us that they will release. So we from our side, we will follow up this issue with the Secretary of Education to assure that they release this school grant as per the enrollment. According to their statement, they said that until and unless they receive any fund from the central government, they cannot release our pending salary. Okay. So as per the project approval board meeting which was held on 1st July 2021, it has made very clear, okay, Here it is saying very clear that as per Section 7 Clause 5 of the RT Act 2009, the state government shall, after taking into consideration the sum provided by the central government above and the mandatory matching state share, provide the balance fund necessary to fulfill the estimate for the implementation of the Act. Okay. It is recommended that the state should meet the balance amount from its own resources, including the additional fund devoted under the 15th Finance Commission. So here it is clearly mentioned that a part of that financial support which they are getting from the central government, it is the duty of the state government to manage or to arrange the additional amount needs to fulfill various programs or various activities under Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. Okay. And number 2, for this black flag demonstration and candlelight vigil, we have taken a decision that only 10 members of the Meghalaya SSA School Association will take part. Okay, not all the teachers. We have decided that, taking into consideration the restriction at place, okay, in the state due to COVID protocol, we have unanimously taken a decision that only 10 members of the Meghalaya SSA School Association will take part in the black flag sit-in demonstration and also a candlelight vigil on 21st January 2022. Thank you. Composite school grant. Okay. Let me first brief on uniform grant. See, this uniform grant is a financial support given by the central government to provide free uniform to the students in the state of Meghalaya. Okay. So as per the estimate, okay, as per the estimate or the proposal sent by the Government of Meghalaya to the Ministry of Education for approval of the project approval board, they sent a proposal for the uniform that is ₹600 each student. Okay, ₹600 each student. Okay, for proposal, and they have got an approval from the Ministry of Education from the project approval board meeting, which was held in New Delhi, on 1st July 2021. Okay, PEB meeting on 1st July 2021. They have got the approval. So what they have sent to the ministry is they send ₹600, but what they implement, okay, what they implement in our state of Meghalaya is they issue an order, they release an amount, not 600 but only 300. Okay, instead of 600 they release 300. That is for the uniform grant. And for the school grant, okay, for the school grant they have sent a proposal. They have sent a proposal to the central government for approval. They base according to the enrollment of the students. Okay, the proposal they sent to the ministry is those schools who are having enrollment from 1 to 30 numbers, they will get a school grant of 10,000. Okay, for those schools whose number of students from 30 to 100, they will get a school grant of 25,000. The school who have enrollment from 100 to 250, they will get a school grant of 50,000. Then the school who are having an enrollment of 250 to 1,000, they will get a school grant of 75,000. Okay, so the proposal is enrollment wise. Okay, for school who are having enrollment from 1 to 30, there are 2,433 schools. School having enrollment from 30 to 100, there are 3,790 schools. School having enrollment 100 to 250, there are 479 schools. And the school having enrollment 250 to 1,000, there are 27 schools. So the total all these schools are 7,630 58 schools. So what made the association surprised? The proposal they send is enrollment wise. Okay. Approval also they have got from the Ministry of Education in their project approval meeting, which was held on 1st July 2021. They got an approval as per the proposal sent by the government of Meghalaya. Whereas in implementation, they send an order, they release an amount of 10,000 each school to all the SSA school in the state of Meghalaya. Not as per the enrollment. Okay, not as per the enrollment and not as per approved by the project approval board. So today we have also met the Secretary Education, Sir Ambrose Marak, regarding this issue. We have submit a representation from our side seeking clarification. Why this disparity, why these differences are there, why this gap are there? It is not as per the proposal, not as per the approval by the project approval board or the Ministry of Education, Government of India. Okay, and during the meeting, Secretary Education informed us that this fund which they have released, that is for the uniform rupees 300, that is 50%. Okay, it is only 50%. So he told us that, he informed us that they will release another 50%, which means they release another 300 each student. Okay, that is for uniform. And for this school grant, he informed us that his office and the government will release another installment as per enrollment wise. Okay, so we just want to share with you that this was not the first time it happened. Okay, since 2019, 20, and now 21, it repeat the same. 19 also we got a school grant, not as per the proposal and not as per the approval given by the project approval board. Okay, in 2020 also it repeat the same thing. We are getting not as per the approval of the project approval board. So we want to ask the government a question: where the government have implement the remaining money, okay, which they have proposed to the central government, and the same was approved and recommended by the Ministry of Education. This is the question which we want to raise to the state government, where they have utilized this additional fund, okay, which they have not released to the SSA school as per the proposal and as per the approval they are getting from the project approval board.